Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store. I'm going to click on here. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on settings. Go ahead and click on general. Click on account and device preferences. Then scroll down right here. Click on clear device search history right here. Clear device search history. Click on clear history right here. Search history clear. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Play Store on Android, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.